Opening in less than 10 seconds. Oh, there it is. Never mind. Less than 5 seconds. We're going to wait on Adam to give us a call. See what happens. Oh, excuse me. I went ahead and rolled over my contract to December. Zulu, NQ Zulu 2025, of course. And ES Zulu 2025. And I got nothing, guys. I really, really don't. I just hit. Why didn't I get an alert? Oh, there's the alert. Yeah, there's the alert. Came in late. Let's see what happens here. It went down to a 4-hour BISI. Gosh, I don't know. I don't know what happens. Let's see what's going on here. What did he send me? I don't know what he said. It's battery operated. What is that? You sent me a picture. Let's see if you guys can actually see. Nah, you can't. Little. I don't know what that is. Let's give him a call.
Hey man, sorry, I didn't realize the time it was.
No worries. What is that, man?
So remember I told you I was working on that electronic bake?
Yeah.
3D print, design it, and then 3D print. That's how far I've gotten. So that's
really
any rocket you shoot up. It's pretty basic to shoot a rocket up in the air, but the recovery is where your stuff.
I see.
Recovery and then locators, like GPS locators, and then cameras. So that right there will control the recovery.
That's crazy, man. That's cool, dude. Jesus.
They shoot little gunpowder charges, those little orange caps.
I see.
Which separate the rocket, and then a parachute and cord,
Damn, dude.
So that you can get it back at it.
That's cool. Cool.
Yeah. So that's the shit, that's kind of fun, design and build.
Yeah. That's cool, man. Sweet. Well, she went into that 4-hour BISI.
Well, yeah, I just got the alert just right here at the open. So I'm gonna kind of, I guess, watch. That's London low. If you want to argue, a little 15-minute blah. You know what I'm saying?
Dang, interesting. See, you see things that I don't. I'm blinded by just what's in front of me.
Oh, I don't get it. Yeah, it's just right there on my screen. You got 5 minute 15. I do keep those indicators going. You know what I mean? Like breakdown Asian London PM. Okay. Yeah. I mean, so that's a 1-hour BISI there. There's a couple of them here, right? So coming back down and hitting this previous day close around that displacement makes sense too. So here we go.
Yeah, and there's a bunch.
Showing a little bit of signs of life, some first time in a while.
Signs of life, or just signs of?
Signs of life, meaning like a possible trade.
Oh, because.
Yeah,
it's I mean, the way I would say it is, we finally have some POIs.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Finally got something here to go off of. Let me scoot on over and check my accounts. Yep, good. Okay, so that needs to recover. It will. Oil's pushing up and recovering. So
It's
good.
weird.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, all those guys are doing good. So, man, my target. Oh, that's okay. Anyway, yeah. So that's all good. Let's open this back up. Okay, so that was 1 hour. I didn't get into that second one, so I feel like that's.
It didn't hit the 1 or there's a volume imbalance on the 1 hour that it almost got to.
Yeah, small volume bounce there. Yep.
That was a 15-minute BISC that I went down to.
Don't forget the new day open gap sits underneath there as well.
Okay.
You see that?
Now I do. At 5:30ish.
Yeah, that was just yesterday's gap. Gap down.
So what? We're looking for this to close that gap.
Be hard to turn around right now. Revisiting the gaps what we care about. We're not going to say, well, I didn't close it, so then we're not going to do that. It's just it could price to it.
Okay.
You just got to have your eyeballs on it. Obviously, yesterday's previous close yesterday is important to me. That PM session high, bam. Those are 1 hours, so we'll keep rolling down here a little bit for time being. Man, Amazon, Tesla, Google, Meta, they're all
red.
Looks like they're all green.
Looks like
yesterday. I'm gonna get water.
Water instead of coffee? You okay, dude?
I've had 3 cups, man.
Oh God, I'm just barely sipping on my first one.
And so 450. I saw 450 this morning. I'm rolling out of bed.
God.
And so I go, I go right to it. Right to the cop and miter. So no fucking around. Well, your TTs are trading or no?
Just the boy TT.
Stupid.
Yeah, sorry. I don't know.
It's just funny.
I wanted to keep going with that, so.
I know. I'm just when you said it, I was like, oh, this is yeah.
I'm done. Never mind. Man, fuck this. I'm out. Just kidding.
I got to watch this yesterday. It was my canned chicken.
Ah. Chicken.
Kind of gross.
Chicken.
Chicken out of a can, man.
Chicken out of a can instead of tuna. Instead of fish.
Just instant protein on the cooker.
Ugh. That just doesn't sound great.
It's not, but man, can't always eat for pleasure. That's how we get that. There's a main reason why people are fat. They eat their emotions.
I didn't realize that not just peanuts, but just a certain type of nut. I can't remember what that TikTok said, but nuts as a whole, as a family, they have like some of the highest protein per 100 milligrams, I think it said. I was surprised. I was surprised to know that.
That's real high in fat. You gotta be careful. So I eat blueberries and nuts, as a thing, but you gotta be careful, man. They pack a lot of calories for their little bit. So if you're if you're hungry, you want to fill up, nuts are not the thing to do.
Oh,
you know what I mean?
Yeah, okay.
Because you're going to overdo it on the calorie intake. They're really dense.
Huh, crazy.
And you're going to lean too far on one side. So you got to be, having them's good, but
yeah.
Well,
you just you literally just pop a handful of nuts and just be done with it. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I mean, so like imagine this: you have, grilled chicken and an apple. Okay, you feel all right.
Yeah.
Then finish it off with some blueberries, blackberries, and a little bit of nuts.
I see.
That meal will fuel you really, really well, as opposed to cheeseburger and a beer or something. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now the cheeseburger and beer tastes good and it's fine, but you'll be dragging ass with something like that. But that other one, dude, you're gonna feel like you can run a fucking marathon. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get it.
Plus, too, your body, like physically, will begin to look good.
Ooh, look at you. Went to that busy.
I got an alert. Yes, sir. So, there's that. And that little volume balance and busy. Good retracement. Finally starting to kind of set up here. Yesterday's close too. Remember, I always talk about yesterday's close.
Yeah, and is it a coincidence that's the consequent encroachment of that 1 hour busy that it just went into? Did you notice that? Huh?
I visually can kind of see my dotted line halfway through.
Boy, you can't.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Obviously, another big ass fucking busy down below. So that's something on the 4 hour, 1 hour, both of them.
Yeah.
That's a shit ton.
The 1 hour has a shit ton.
Oh, now the charts are looking different. Finally updated. Oracle is green as book, but yeah, people selling off on those a little bit. Yes, sir. Okay. So $6,450 in the account, man. I mean, it's just
rolling, bro. Rolling.
It's just inching up. So got to keep that going.
It's pinching up like a turd.
Yeah, I've got, so obviously I'm trying to get out of if we get a shoot up today, it's probably going to happen. I'm going to get out of my Morningstar because of funds rate tomorrow.
Okay.
It's getting about time to add into the 112 trade on ES. Slowly building, my fortress up on those. It's going to take the rest of the year. And then I started in gold and everything else. Here we go, getting a little bounce off of that, which is cool. So, all that shit, right?
Yep.
But dude, I think once they start going, it's going to be pretty incredible. I'm going to watch those verticals. If I get most of the short part of the vertical, like let's say again, like 90% of all of that, that short premium, I might take those off. If you think about it in margin and doomsday type reaction to markets, it's a benefit to lose that short in the vertical and then just be long puts on the remainder, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
At any point, big hard pullback, those, those are there.
That's pretty cool, but it takes you, 3 months to fucking build that up?
I think it's going to take, that's what I mean. I think towards the end of the year, I'll probably have those ready to go for all next year. And as you rotate, each time you add one on, you're just rotating.
Mm-hmm.
So one's kind of going out, you're adding another. And so you'll never not have at least 6 of those fuckers going, but only be short maybe 3.
Yeah, I gotcha.
As opposed right now, I'm 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, right?
Pretty fucking good shit, dude. You came across
that. I'm gonna do that lightly in all oil and gold and bonds, all of them.
You did. You came across that from a YouTube video or something, huh?
Yeah, this is that King's guy.
Yeah. Oh man,
right.
she's like, fuck you guys. I'm gonna fake you guys out.
Fuck you guys, I'm going home.
What's that from?
South Park.
South Park. It sounded like it.
All right. So that's a fill. No, not quite, but pretty damn close.
Pretty damn close.
547. 548. So it's off by 75 cents. Of course, not anymore.
Yeah.
All right. Why did I set that alert? I don't remember why I have that alert. I do not remember.
Well, that's a fill. For sure.
Oh, the tiny busy.
1 hour busy.
Well, for lucky, this is setting up for structure here. That was another, burn right there.
Burn, baby, burn. Oh, there's my inverted fair value gap if it goes up from here.
Right. We'll see. I feel a little better about all of this happening right now. There is a daily busy, too, by the way, which is way the flood net back down there.
Oh, gosh, way down there.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's going to create a daily busy with today if it doesn't go down.
Right, it needs to fill in the big 4 hour and 1 hour stuff.
Yeah.
Basically. I mean, you got 4 fucking 1 hour busies down there, man. I mean, we might, well, I guess we can't think short yet because, I mean, but keep in mind at the open.
That is.
Well, no, not at the open. I guess what at the.
God, that's a 14-point loser if you want to go short right now.
The 6:30 news entered a 1 hour civvy.
6:30 news, 1 hour civvy. Oh yeah, it went into 1 hour civvy. Yeah. I was looking at that, and it's only, dude, these moves are small. Have you noticed that?
Yeah, kind of. Like all of this action right here is just 50 points.
Yeah, exactly.
I see that. Equal lows, those 2 little 1 minute candles. Pop, pop.
Oh, wow. Exactly, huh?
Yeah. That's fucking work. Good God. Every morning. I'm overstuck over there. Fucking me. Oh, it's the neighbors. We got neighbors over here. Bastards need to go home. I like not having neighbors. I drive the dogs crazy.
Neighbors,
yeah. Are you live? We don't even announce it anymore.
Oh, I'm live, bro. I'm always live. I'm always wasting everybody's time, dude.
Get a couple of my huevos. Where's my huevos? I need to get better at baking chicken. We've been baking our chicken lately. I'm just not.
Doesn't it come out all fucking dry?
Dry? No. It's pretty. It's decent. I just need good. I want good seasoning flavors for baking chicken. I don't have anything.
Oh, really?
So I just so you know, I've got my little $5,000 trading account opened. Bam, that was quick.
$5,000 day trading account?
Yes.
Wow.
So
how many contracts are you gonna be trading?
Oh, I saw that.
Oh shit.
Quickly.
Jesus. Yeah. Well, that was a
trade. You're delayed. I think I see it before you. That's Windstream versus Starlink.
Wow, dude, you're real ignorant. You know that?
Ignorant.
Yeah, ignorant. You don't know what the fuck I was doing over here, man.
Playing with your blood, I guess. Well, there's that new day open gap.
Yep, I see that. Bottom of gap. That's what I have it marked as on my chart. Bottom of gap.
Yeah, it's a tiny little gap, but there it is.
What was that win? Because I marked it out short.
Are we going to sit here thinking long and the whole time it's going to be short?
Fucking short, yeah. It's produced 30 points already from that last SIBI on the 1 minute. Is that Asia low or you said London low? Oh no, that's way over there. That's Asia low. Interesting. Asian.
Oh, not yet, right?
No, not yet. Almost. Reason why I noted it is I saw it on Tyler Trade's charts. It's like, what does he have marked?
Yeah, we're working off of that. That's 6:30. How did we not see that this morning?
I'm not gonna lie, I saw it right at the open. I was like, oh shit, it is 1 hour.
Yeah, Sibby. All the Sibbies are winning. That's kind of frustrating, but hey, we're gonna bring Robert in on the call, okay?
Okay, cool.
I haven't talked to him in a hot minute.
In a minuto, okay.
I'll be back with.
All right, we're gonna have a guest star on the show today. Roberto, their family, their cousins.
All right, you good?
Yo,
yep, I'm here.
Oh, Roberto.
What's up, man?
What do you call a guy with a rubber toe? Roberto. Didn't.
How long have you had that one in your pocket?
You know what? Let's not talk about that, okay? We don't need to talk about that. We need to talk about trading.
You know, in 40 plus years, I've never heard that one.
You've never heard that one? Dude, I feel honored. I feel very honored.
That's amazing.
That's amazing. It looks like
tree, which is probably going to work here.
Well, you don't know that because I have a sneaky suspicion that it's going to start turning up, dude. Turn up. Turn up at the top.
Did y'all get any of that down movement?
Heck no. We've been watching it, though.
Yeah,
Yeah, good.
Yet later we saw that in the 6:30 news entering the 1 hour SIPI, and now it's like, oh, there's the foothold. Where's it going to go?
Yeah.
We've already passed through a few things that we had on the menu. We are sticking in that new day open gap right now, though. So that maybe supports price from here. Maybe. Okay. But there's plenty down below to get into, right?
Yes, sir.
So what's going on with so multiple accounts through TradingView will not happen. You'll have to, if you want to do multiple accounts, there's two ways. You've got to do it in the TradeAvate web, page, trading there, and you have to go manage groups and set your group up.
No, I did that. I managed groups. I've got a group. It's called Fuck It.
Oh, that's so funny.
Wow, you and Adam. You can't tell you guys are family.
God, I named one Fuck This. That's hilarious.
Yeah. And so I've got all that set up. I've got my little ATM thing set up and all that. But anytime I log on to TradeAvate, the first thing it asks me is, all right, let's watch this simulation. And I'm like, does that mean this is not live trading? So I go to my account to see what
Correct.
it says, and it says live trading.
Correct. So it's not. I don't know if you're doing combines or you're actually doing funded accounts.
No, just combines.
Regardless, it's all simulated trading. It's not true live account where you're trading the actual.
Simulation.
Yes, you'll always sign in simulation.
So if I make a trade, I mean, is this paper trading or is it actually
basically paper trading?
Yes. So
even when you're funded, it's paper trading.
Exactly.
So how do you get actual money trading?
No,
they pay you on your performance, but it's not because they made money in the market because you traded it.
Yeah.
They're making money on everybody that fails, and they're just paying you rewards for doing well on paper trade.
Yeah.
They don't need to copy your trade in the market to make it work. There's so many people like us that fail and hand thousands of dollars over to them.
Yep.
But I mean, do they pay you based on, let's say I've got a $25,000 account and I have a good month of trading and there's $35,000 in there. Can I pull $5,000 out?
Yeah.
Or is it just arbitrary?
No.
Like, hey, good job. Here's $50.
No, it's the math. Your P&Ls or the math they go off of, and so you can treat it like it's real, but it's not real.
Yeah, they don't make money off of you actually trading and being profitable in the markets.
Mm-mm.
Right.
Yeah. And so it's paper trading. It's all simulation until you go up one more level, and I don't want to get into that, but it's all paper trading. It's all simulation.
But I mean, that's what y'all are doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing.
Everybody.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Even our funded accounts, it's still simulation.
Yeah.
That's really weird to me.
Yeah.
It is weird. We thought for a while, but then we were thinking the logistics of that is pretty wild. For them to be trying to copy trade quickly without slippage and things like that can get pretty out of hand. And the truth of the matter is they make so much money off of everyone else that's not getting payouts. That they can afford to pay the people that do get payouts.
People like me who just don't fund their accounts and pay the money every month. I'm the one paying y'all.
Yeah.
You're the one that, our money goes to fucking Patrick.
Yeah, that's exactly it.
That way he can get another Inventor and a boat.
Yeah, Jesus. What an asshole, dude.
He's probably already made a bunch of money short in the market.
You know he has.
Yeah.
The problem is I really like the screen and everything of TradingView so much better.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Like I go to TradeAvate and it just looks like just devastating chaos to me. Like Just to look at it gives me anxiety.
Sure.
Well, so still TradingView and analyze and everything, but then you'll have to have and that's what multiple screens help. You set your orders over there on Tradeovate. Now, the other thing you can do, which is a whole thing, but it can be done, is what I'm doing because I put live money working is NinjaTrader. You open a NinjaTrader account and you buy Replicanto, and it's a fucking ordeal, but there is a YouTube deal out there. So I do it. Then you can do it. I can trade on TradingView, and it's called a leader account. So I trade the 1 leader account, and Replicanto handles everything from there. And I mean, you can do 100. Yeah. So that's one way you can stay with TradingView. That's the only way.
Okay. So y'all didn't get in on the fair value gap, that basically the 4th candle on the AM session?
No, I know what you're talking about, and no.
I assume you did, Robert.
Oh no, I'm too much of a pussy. I saw it and I was like, I bet that's gonna go down some more. Let's watch and see. And then I was like, yeah, that would have filled my order.
We see it and we know where it could be going, which means the belief is that it's going to continue lower, but we don't play that. We don't play. I mean, I've done it a couple times, but we don't play to the peak point of interest. We wait, which is frustrating because a lot of times, well, in this case, it kind of keeps rolling down, and you could have had a good morning.
Could have had a great morning, and I guess that
we're being pretty disciplined.
Yeah, and then I guess you can always make an argument of, well, if you always trade to a POI, you'll just come out green, and sometimes you're going to lose. But at the end of the week, it'll be green. But
yeah. In fact, we've traded. Especially me, so disciplined that I'm on my 3rd week without making a trade.
That's discipline right there, buddy.
And that's, I mean, I don't know how Adam sees it, but I see it as a fucking badass, just a badass move. I mean, he's not losing. So.
Well, our setup has not occurred.
Exactly.
That's why it hasn't happened.
Exactly.
And it's just been like, no, this isn't it. And it's either failed and worked. It's done both. It's worked and failed. But no fucking trade. I've passed combines. I've got 3 funded now, I guess. Yeah.
Patrick is short 42 contracts, FYI.
Oh, that's how he buys the mansion.
Yeah, dude. He's averaged in at 540, and I mean he's
damn right there.
Yeah.
Well, it's a bear flag that looks like it.
Yeah, it's incredible, man. Incredible.
What a weird number, 42.
Yeah, he's doubling. I don't know. I mean, you can do the math, right? But I don't know how much he started with and where he started. But he's doubling down.
He's break even right now.
Yeah. Jesus, dude, it's crazy. 42 contracts.
That does look like a bear flag.
I rewatched a bunch of the ICT videos this weekend.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it just pissed me off because he's like, here's an example. Can you see what the market's going to do? I'm like, yes, I can see what the market's going to do. That's the dumbest example I've ever seen. The market never looks like that.
Yeah.
But he picks the most obvious examples, like, and even me, who's never made any money on this, I'm like, yeah, I can see where the entry is and where it's going to go, and this is stupid. Why are you showing it?
Yeah, it sucks. It sucks, man, and that's what I've always said is people cherry pick the crap out of charts, out of setups.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to take him as like he's just going to get your mind going, and then you get away from him immediately and get your ass to the charts. find it yourself.
Yeah.
And create your own kind of thing, you know. Because the shit he talks about on general terms works. I mean, that shit works. You know, liquidities and efficiencies and all that.
Yeah, without a doubt.
I can't debunk it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, it works. I'm just saying that the chart never looks like the one he's showing.
Yeah. Yeah,
there's
maybe
the
once in
a with is like the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your life. And it's like, I can make money on that chart.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So
I like how
New Day Open Gap.
Yeah, New Day Open Gap. It's just.
I feel like this is about to just pop down. You know what I mean? This is just a consolidation before we pop. But so far, I just have to. What's price doing, right? Not what I think it'll do, but what is it doing? And it is. It's just holding into that New Day Open Gap. So, have a good day. Love you. 8 o'clock. I feel like it's 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock in New York.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, at the beginning of the month, I was looking at how September normally goes. And they were like, September is the only month of the year that you can count on it being a down market.
Oh, that's weird.
And it's pretty much just a straight shot up.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm like, thank God.
I know. We've been gearing up. My long-term stuff, you know, I've been like, all right, I need to gear up. We're going back. And then, boom. Oh, shit. Well, it's not. Yeah. Not today. Not today. So, which has been beautiful on my end. I mean, I've made 6% in 6 weeks.
Yeah. Long-term stuff. Yeah.
That's the only place I'm making money right now. Doing the shit that I know how to do.
Nobody's going to make a Netflix documentary about you making 6% in 6 weeks, buddy.
I like the way he thinks, man. I like the way Robert thinks.
Yeah, it's boring as hell, isn't it?
I want to be interviewed for your documentary on your yacht.
Yes, dude, I am all for that, dude.
I told him 6% bullshit, so he stepped it up.
I love it. That's good.
All right, so what we're looking for is like a manipulation on this, the bull trap on this bear flag that potentially happened. It's going to look green for a minute and then it'll shoot down. That would hold true to this move.
FYI, just because I love to comment on this, he is now short 56 contracts.
He's short, yeah.
Well, he's sticking with his multiples of 7.
Yeah, he's going 14 at a time, apparently.
Well, then that's got to be 7 funded accounts that he's trading, right?
Possibly. I see on his chart 1 contract, and so I'm assuming that's 14 funded accounts.
Oh, I see.
You see what I mean?
There you go.
He just doubled down again, 70 now.
Yeah, we filled the civvy. Sitting at yesterday's close. So this is going to start, just so we don't get on the wrong side. This is starting to, well, hold up. And that's a fucking no. Yeah.
No, that's a no.
All right, so that's a civvy fill. That's that bear or bull trap out of this bear flag, if this is making sense. And the move can occur lower.
I see what you're.
I've been seeing that a lot, right? Like when we give the bull flags, and then it starts looking bad, and it pushes down lower.
Yeah.
And you're like, fuck, this ain't over. And then it shoots up, and you're like, oh, hell.
Yeah.
You know, and it would have knocked your ass out. This is just that in reverse. But again, none of this stuff that I'm saying is anything that I technically know
Michael would have taken the trade at 7:35 your time, according to the videos that I watched this weekend.
7:35. Yeah, I get it.
And the premise was what? Entering that 1 hour SIBI on the news release? Yeah. That was, for some reason, we fucking missed that.
Jesus,
we made that mistake this morning. You realize that, right?
What's that?
We missed that SIBI entry at 6:30 this morning. We were on the fucking phone with each other.
Yep.
I feel kind of bonehead. I don't know how I fucking didn't see that.
Jesus, dude. He was up. I'm sorry. Keep going. You go.
Go ahead. Go.
No. You go.
Let's hear about patty cakes.
Dude, he was up $8,000 just now, just on a smidge of a move because he has 70 contracts and he's break even again. It's gonna go down for him, it looks like. Jesus. Sorry, go ahead.
No, it's how he does that shit.
Yeah.
I mean, 70 contracts. What's it got to move? Like 4 points for him to make more money than I make in a year?
30. He got out. He just got out at a green for that trade. That's amazing.
That's how he does it, man.
Holy fuck.
By the seat of his pants, and he's got a lot of experience with the market. So he kind of knows how to do it. That means that we can do it too if we wanted to dedicate to that style.
Yeah, absolutely. He
has Giovanni diarrhea, so he can't do it.
I can't do that, dude.
Me and Giovanni would just be on the toilet the whole time.
The whole time. We'd be holding hands, bro. We'd be holding hands.
Are we green? Can we get out now?
No. Oh. Oh God. Yeah, he's traded so many times and he's break even for the day. He's up $1,200, but who knows how much he's paying in commissions.
Well, that's because he rarely, even when he gets in trouble, rarely ends up going full tilt. Usually he gets himself back.
Yeah.
The reason why he can do it is because this is how he makes his money.
Yep.
And this is real money.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, it is in terms of what, $30 accounts or whatever the fuck they are, but
yeah,
he makes so much on YouTube and all the other shit that he can do it.
This is incredible. The idea that what you're talking about. Oh shit! It goes down. Holy shit! And he was. Now he's shaking his head.
I told y'all. I said it's gonna go up.
Yep.
And it's gonna be a trap for the bulls, and then it's gonna go down.
This is true. You did say it, man. You did say it.
Imagine the nuts to trade it.
Imagine the affiliates, dude. He makes a crap ton. He makes more money on affiliates per month than all of us do. Pretty much the whole year, it seems like.
I bet he's got a deal with Apex too. I bet, you know what I'm saying? Like, he's like, dude, I don't even need your fucking payouts. Just give me free accounts. I'm going to be online every fucking day.
Yeah.
Selling this shit to people. Making money. You know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely.
But just give me free resets, because you never hear him. He never talks about that.
Nope.
Having to reset accounts or anything like that. We don't know what he spends, if any.
No idea.
Oh, well, all right. So there's another manipulation to the downside again. New day, open gap, holding.
Short. Tyler's short.
Well, you better go short because your lever boy's short.
Oh, man, I can't go. I can't follow him into the abyss on this one.
One thing I do like about the trade evade is that, I could have put an order in, like I said, at 9:35. But then, like what you were talking about with Patrick, I could have doubled down at 9:47 on that.
Yeah, right? Yeah.
And then so that would have been fun. But at the time, I wasn't even sure my TradingView was real.
Oh,
like it
yeah.
looks real.
Yeah, it's all you always sign in simulated. The only live I have is the actual. I have a TradingView cash account. You know, they're a broker too, and I have a little bit of cash over there. I just moved over.
Yeah, I clicked on the open a live account, and it basically was like you. Like, oh,
yeah, you know.
Okay,
right,
cool.
Right.
Cool.
You get a live data feed though.
It's only 8:15, boys.
I know, and I'm ready to go. I get so impatient, mainly because I get up at 4. So I feel like I've been here forever.
Yeah, stop doing that.
I can't help it, man. I'm up. Ugh.
That would take all the joy out of my day.
Dude, I know what I'm gonna be for Halloween, bro. I'm gonna dress up as Patrick and just, pay a bunch of people to go to watch me live, and then just roast the chat. That's what I'm gonna do. It's my Halloween costume. Roast the chat.
Okay.
And then I'm always gonna point out the fact that I'm top of all the payouts on funded accounts everywhere. I'm always gonna bring that up. And then tell everybody that they're poor and that I'm rich.
Basically, just try to be him.
Yeah, absolutely.
Where's the VIX today? The VIX pop? We got a 1 point pop in the VIX.
What is it at? Like 16, 17?
Yep, yeah, it's low. Deutsche Bank. Let's see what Deutsche. Oh fuck, it's to the moon.
Deutsche Bank.
eBay's down again.
eBay.
eBay looks like it's gonna have a nice little turnaround. Be patient with that one. Deckers Outdoor Group. Man.
Tyler trades are going to be stopped out, my friend.
Oh, let me minimize. Oh. Yeah. What the fuck is Dixie barking at? Bro. So every day, if Robert, he's live on YouTube, we need a viewer, man. So if you're just put us up in the office.
Yeah.
Every fucking day we're on. If you're not calling in with this, you should do that.
Okay, so I'm, obscenely old. And so you sent me the link, but when I can't re-click the link because it's just a 1 day.
Yeah, it's a 1 day. I can.
So how do I find you on a day like tomorrow? I just want to find you.
This is what I'm going to do. I'm going
it's Options
to
Trading Channel, and that's
your
YouTube deal.
Yeah, Options Trading
go
Channel.
To YouTube and look that up.
Yeah.
But if you subscribe to him, don't
boom.
Get an alert like
exactly. I was about to say that.
So I subscribe to Patrick and Tanja.
Yeah.
And so my phone will give me an alert before before their shows start.
So
there's the fucking neighbors. That's what they're barking at. God damn it. Oh, here we go.
He just got stopped out. Yeah, he just got stopped out.
That poor little country bumpkin shit. All right, so now we're breaking that high. It's looking a little better. Looking back again, what's our premise? It did make a new low for the day, taking the Asian out. Respect to new day open gap. We're trading back above yesterday's close.
There's a Bissy right there, man.
Oh, it's a shitty fucking Bissy. I hate that wick it just put in. See, I always find a reason.
It's an 8-point loser, man.
A what?
8-point loser. There it is.
You're in. You in?
I am going in right now. Yes. I'm probably going to get stopped out because it's so tiny.
Yeah, I just didn't like that displacement.
Yeah, I don't like the displacement, but I'm in.
This could fucking work, though, bro. I feel like I needed to hit my button.
42.25.
Get a better price than you.
What an asshole, dude. 42.25. 42.25. Yep. Oh man, it's gonna be a low. It's gonna be 6 points that I'm gonna be losing. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, we know that those
Oh, there it
typically
is.
lose.
That's the
there we
loss.
go.
That's the loss.
Yeah.
Let's go to that. How much
So
did I
what's
lose?
the lesson
41.50.
here? It was just not true displacement.
Yeah. Nope. I lost. Wow. I lost 9 points. 9 points there, and then I lost 7 points there. Bro, I'm good.
Damn. And it's gonna fucking go.
Now it's gonna go. What an asshole of a market.
Yeah.
I'll play it again.
Yeah. If I can get it. That's your chance. You can reorder right there.
Oh no, no. It has to create another Bissy up above for me to get excited for it. Yeah.
Don't forget fundraise tomorrow. I
Yes, sir.
expect a lot.
Yeah.
Possibly. Like the move might have just fucking happened.
52.35. 52. Yep. Let's see. I lost $15 per account on the small ones. I'm okay.
You tell yourself that.
Shit. Oh man. First trade in weeks and I lost, of course.
No, you traded last week a few times, didn't you?
Yeah,
I know you took some trades.
yeah, that was Combine.
Okay.
Now it fucking goes, man.
Suck to suck, man. There you go. You'd have been nice and fat green. Those little 8-point losers, and they lose, and then you'll get those 50-point losers, and we don't want to take them, and they fucking work.
There you go.
And I think the moral of the story is the size of the move and displacement.
And displacement, yeah, that's a big part of the equation.
All right, where we at? We're doing all right. Let's see. Yeah, recovered there. Down at 460. So oil's doing okay. Oh, fuck Target. I am going to end up owning Target.
Tarjane.
Yeah, buddy. I'm a subscriber.
Oh, I got a new subscriber.
I don't even subscribe to him.
God, you're such a dick, dude.
Hey, there must be something wrong with your channel because it says one person is watching now, and I'm watching. So maybe that one needs like a 1 million.
Robert.
Yeah, the number's so big they have to just take it down to 1.
Robert, you can just go, get your bag of dicks and go suck it off.
Last week we had some people that were actually chiming in and asking questions.
Oh, absolutely, dude. It was fun, dude. It was a lot of fun.
Oh yeah, Ronnie was all giddy.
Oh, dude, so giddy. I was like, somebody's actually listening to me. Is actually asking me questions.
Yeah, well, this is fun. Again, it's like, not sure I'm going to want to weigh anything out. This is usually not what we look for or used to seeing. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. 42 and went to the wow.
Just Tyler hanging tight, being patient.
He has to now.
He took 2 L's or just one?
No, just one, man. I don't know how much his loser was. $35 to $55. So he took a 20-point loser.
Well, and that's why even when I first, started looking at this, the only times I've actually made money on trades have been, especially back then, Adam, you didn't like to trade until 8:50 to 9:10. But the only times I made money were on those first trades of the morning where it may be going in a direction that doesn't fit with your thesis, but it's going. On the down move this morning, there was 1, 2, 3 entries coming down.
Yeah. So in my opinion, what that was doing, what the market was doing, is it was going down to close the gap. I mean, it's apparent now.
Right.
And
But when it starts going down, you can just kind of make it's always an assumption because the market has some predictability, but it's not predictable at all. And so if it's going down to fill the gap, well, shit, go down, fill the gap.
Well, yeah, that's so we
You can do it. You can trade that way. You just need to hone the skill in and stay persistent trading that way.
Yes.
Yeah. Because then later on, if you're still in it and it starts doing what you thought it was going to do all along, well, shit, you're already up.
Yeah, you're already in. I've made two green trades before, and I've done that. I've traded to the target and then back away from the target.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how I've recovered a lot of my accounts. Well, I say that. It's the one account that I've really truly recovered, which is up $1,000 now. It's funded. 100 account. But yeah, I traded in 2.5 weeks and not going to trade tomorrow for sure.
Yeah.
And this is looking pretty shitty for any kind of reverse, so. Back me. Why am I give up, dude? Once again. That means I'm going to turn this shit on tomorrow.
What? What are you talking about?
Well, I'm not even look at TradingView or get my Ninja Trader going tomorrow because we've got funds rate.
Yeah, because in the morning we're just not going to trade in the morning at all. I certainly am not.
Yeah.
News release in the morning?
Noon tomorrow. It's federal fund rate.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, so it can be a big one. It can also do nothing.
Yeah.
But I've seen it go fucking 800 points before.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, trade it. 800 would be pretty solid.
For the consistency rule for Apex, you actually can't make more than 30%, around 30% of your total profits, because you're kind of just shooting yourself in the foot at that point.
Yeah, you're gonna. It's gonna take a lot longer.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, absolutely. It's gonna suck.
So if you're up 3,000, you can't really. Any one trade can't be more than 1,000.
Yeah.
Basically, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's horseshit.
That's horseshit.
Oh, they got a
so many fucking rules so they don't have to pay you.
I did. I keep going down that rabbit hole of trying to find traders that have no issues with Apex, and they all have the same sort of spiel. They're like, dude, I've never had any issues with Apex paying out. I'm a consistent trader. I trade small. I never, risk more than this much. And once I get to this level, then I'll go up in contracts, and I'm very methodical with my trades. Every trader that has no issue with Apex says the same thing. So
it's like a legit trader. Sounds
Yeah.
like they've got a system.
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. I agree with that. I think that's, but it's also a benefit to them
Sure.
because, yeah, I mean, they don't copy our trades. So if we're pulling money out, we are a liability to the company.
Yeah.
You're over. We like we're pulling money out. I'm a donator. Yeah, this should be nicer to me because I hope you can. Oh, they love us. We're accounts receivable for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I can't watch this anymore.
Well, darn, dude.
Fuck it. Fuck this. Just like my group trade. I'm not going to watch anymore. How do I? Sure. I'm going to go to work. Pretty sure I'll see my homeowner here pretty soon.
Okay.
They always play pickleball right up there. And then come over after.
God, that's such a rich thing to do.
Pickleball in the morning?
Yeah. I can already see, her wearing the long visor.
I don't know. I don't know what she wears. I don't think she wears a visor. Maybe. I know she gets there early and blows the course off. Like, she takes the shit serious.
Damn, she like with the blower and whatnot. Like that's like
no,
she
with
cleans
her mouth.
She cleans it. She cleans it.
Yeah.
Every. Never mind. I'm not gonna say that.
You asked the question.
I was gonna go there, but then I just didn't.
Yeah, but when you sell your wall company for $40 million, I mean, what else are you gonna do?
You're gonna do whatever the F you want to do.
Pretty much.
And
Except in his case, it started the company all over again. So I could do it twice.
there you go.
Now them Texas boys do it.
Jesus. $8.33, and I lost one trade.
Loser.
What a loser. Loser.
I'm a loser too. I haven't made money.
Well,
So
you're
dude, it's so fucking pathetic. I didn't really think about it. 2.5 weeks, bro. Insane. Robert, we were killing it. And it was like, we can't even imagine. Like, we're like, oh my God, dude. Sometimes there's 3 fucking trades a day.
Yeah.
It's just amazing, blah, 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 blah. And I ain't shitting you. As soon as, like, he asked, like, can this end?
Yeah.
And it fucking ended. Yeah. Like, in that moment. Yeah, exactly. Yes, it can. The word came out. Yeah, it was like, now's when that happened.
Giovanni, don't ask questions you don't want to know the answers to.
It's like, well, shit, here we go. So, thanks a lot for that.
Yeah, you're welcome. What am I? Let's see here. Let's go to that one. This month. Go.
Oh, I have a question for you experts.
Any experts in the room? Anybody? Anybody?
On TradingView, you can trade multiple units.
Units?
Yeah. Where, like, if you make 10 points, do they call it units because they don't have multiple accounts, so they don't call it contracts? Because it sounds to me like it's the same thing. I'll be honest, I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I don't know exactly what you're talking about when you say units.
Well, you're talking about when you set your contracts, it says unit.
Well, I mean, like the word contract is nowhere to be found on TradingView.
Yeah, it's just the same thing. I have some thoughts about that, but yeah.
Okay. I was just making sure that was the same thing.
There's the box in the middle with the number.
Yeah.
That's what they're calling it. Yeah. No, you're right.
Okay, I just wanted to see if that was the same thing.
Yeah. I don't know why they call it unit.
Because, Adam, you were saying, like, you can do, 3, 4, 5 contracts on TradeAvate, but doesn't that multiply your drawdown by 5?
I'm not sure.
Like you have your daily drawdown, what, like 1,500 or something?
Yeah, you have a live drawdown.
You what?
So you have a live drawdown.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. The more you play with, the easier it is to get to that.
Yeah. Okay. That's what I was thinking. Because I mean, what the hell kind of account is Patrick trading where he can have 72 contracts?
Well, so that's what is that? 70 divided by 14. So that's 5. He's actually trading 5 contracts.
Oh, on 14 accounts.
On 14 accounts. Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
So that's kind of just figuring that out.
So 5 is $100 per point.
Yes.
That's how you look at it. So if you had a 1,500, you have 15-point drawdown, you're done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's why in my mind, I'm like, I got some deal with Apex. Because he never talks about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He goes up and then he goes down, no matter live. So you could go up to 15 points and then come right back down to restart and you lose. Because it's live drawdown.
Yeah, that's what I was talking to Michael about when I was watching his video, because he's like, gets in on a trade and he's like, it's probably going to come back down to this level, but that's okay. And I'm like, it's not fucking okay. You just lost all your accounts.
Yep.
Yeah, well, he hates money, so he doesn't trade money.
Yeah.
But yes, that idea, add to it as it's going against you, whatever. Basically, at the end of the day, it gets you doing what? From going too big. So, they get you drawn in because they're like, it's a $50,000 account. No, it's a $2,500 account.
Right.
And they go, you can trade 5 minutes. No, you won't last 2 seconds trading 5 minutes.
Yep.
So, it's just got a bunch of shit bullshit.
He's right. He's right.
Once you learn it, though, it's not like it's, we can't do this anymore. You just have to navigate it now. Now we know. And, I've got a scaling system I've put together that should work pretty well to allow me to trade bigger. But if any kind of problems occur, it's very quick action. Very quick drop in contract.
Yeah.
And once you're
The live trailing what?
Oh, he's breaking up really bad.
Yeah, what do you walk into a lead room or something?
Yeah, boys, I'm not trading this chop at all. I want to short here, but I am hands off the mouse.
We should take it short.
Well, there's a big SIBI on the 1 minute that it just went into, and it's talking about displacement. And there you go.
The Cibbies are winning today.
SIBIs are winning.
Guys, I'm gonna have to get this. So we'll talk to y'all later again.
All right. See you later, dude.
See y'all.
Oh, they all hung up on me. Every single one of them. Robert, if you're still watching, you left me. I'm done. I took one trade, lost 7 to 9 points, depending on what account I'm looking at. But this is too choppy for me. I am out. See you guys here on the very next trading video.